So it's been 2-3 days after I made my fridge pickles. So it's time to give them a taste. Something tells me they're not going to be quite right, but everybody on TikTok seems to like them, so let's find out. These taste no different than cucumbers soaked in pickle brine. These do not taste like pickles. These are gross. I'm gonna give them a couple more days, try them again, but they literally just taste like cucumbers. Very disappointed. If I did something wrong, let me know. I cut my pickle, put it in the pickle juice. It ain't working. So we'll see how they taste in a couple more days. See you Friday.